Hello. Day 2. Day 2. Next challenge naman is functions. So, here is the functions are a bunch of statements glued together. A function is provided with zero or more arguments, and it executes the statements on it based on the return type. It either returns nothing, void, or something. The syntax for function is return type, the function name, and then argument type 1. Argument type 1. Okay, for example is this int sum of 4, int a, b, c, and d. Now, inside that function is meron tayong mga kinakall which is int sum is equals to 0. Now, sum plus equals to a and then so on. So, yung value ni sum is na-update which is first muna is 0 and then next is yung sum is i-add sa value ng a and then it will take that value and then put it sa sum. For example, is sum plus equals to a. So, basically, it's sinasabi niya na sum plus a is equals to sum. Now, so, ganun pa rin siya dito sa b, c, and then d. Now, write a function in int max of 4 int a, b, c, and d which returns the maximum of the 4 argument it receives. Now, uh, our input format input will contain 4 integers a, b, c, and d, 1 per line. For example, is this. And then our output format is return the greatest of the 4 integers. PS input or output will be automatically handled. So, functions lang yung kailangan nating intindihan. Okay. Okay, basically, ito na yung pinaka-function natin since yun yung kina-call out niya rito. Now, of course, since meron siyang return value, return type, which is, of course, we will return and then ano yung i-return natin. We can say sum na lang. Let's similar dito, sum. Kasi kahit ano naman pangalan dito since yung value ni sum is i-return niya dito sa ating function name or kung ano man gusto nyo tawagin yan since ayun yung tinatawag natin dito na ipiprint out ng answer natin. Or wait, answer na lang. But sum. Since sinanap natin is max. Okay. So now, of course, ang hanap natin is yung pinakamalaki. So, of course, A, wait, check na natin if yung value ni A, B, C, or D is larger than each other. Now, since ito, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, and 5, yung in-output niya lang is 6. Which is, yung magiging ano natin is, hanapin na natin yung pinaka-max value niya, right? Okay. Okay, so now, first part is, of course, if it A okay, wait. Dito natin nilagay dito yung ano. Kasi nilagay mo na siya ng int ans. Okay. Now, after that, we can say that check natin like for no it should turn to maximum. Okay, wait. So if A is greater than B, B and C and D, we will of course print F A. I think. Wait, let's see. Else if else if up A B A C A B D A B C. I know. Oh my gosh, mali. But B. Okay. Check natin. Print F. So, int natin. Max of 4 int A, baby. Int A. So, if yung A is greater than print A. Print A. And then, print A. Then, we'll put that ans is equals to A. Since integer siya. So, take natin yung value ni ans, which is magiging A, right? B. C. And then E. Okay, so now yung value ni ans is nabago, right? Okay, check natin. Oh. Okay. Wait. I think dalawa pa. What? Invalid conversion from int to constant. Okay. Wait. Ans value na ans. If A is greater than B and C and D, print AF. Oh wait, di natin kailangan i-print si AF. Kasi piprint na siya dito. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, meron na tayo ditong a little bit of A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now, for yung ina na dito. If A is greater than B, C, and D. Now, else if B is greater than A, C, and D. Now, it's if greater than A, B, D. A, B, C. I think kailangan natin siya i-parenthesis. Maganda ba siya kahit parenthesis? Op, wait. Mukhang may nagmali. In ads. Ito natin, 0 siya. Now, if A is greater than B and C and D, we'll declare ANS equals to A as if ay, wait, kasi compare lang natin siya eh. Right? So, if A is greater than B, yung ANS is nagiging ano. And then, bawa, yung B, 4 is greater than A. Ay, yung 4 is greater than A. False, nagiging false na siya eh. Right? Nagiging false siya eh. Wait, tama ba? And in C++. Yeah, tama. And in and wait, I think mas okay kung lalagyan na natin siya ng ano para mas malinis. I think wait, lagyan ko ng space para okay, if A is greater than B and C and D, if A is greater than B and is A greater than B and C, yung A natin is 3, no, and then else if B is greater than A, yep, and then ba't hindi niya check to? I think okay, I think mas kailangan natin siyang isa-isahin, right? Wait, pag to di pa rin gumana kasi itong ano lang chine-check niya eh, di ba? C greater than and then C greater than D is greater than and D is greater than C. We'll return that. Ay, whew. Easy. Okay, gets. So, bawal lang natin siyang diretso. Okay, gumana. We can now submit that thing. Let's go. Hindi kasi natin makita ito eh. Okay, nice one. Submit. Nice. Wait lang natin. Nice one. Now, that's all. Ngayon. Okay, 15 minutes. Ay, 14. Not bad.